It's all about team, it's all about execution. Build a team which talks about solutions and not the problems.
If they want to be successful, they should be doing mostly all the things digital.
You really need to fundamentally rethink your entire business model and think about what does a digital first customer needs.
Companies who will innovate and adapt to the future needs faster will flourish.
Now everything is digital, so if this BFSI sector wants to come, if they want to be successful, they should be doing mostly all the things digital, like talking of PAN card to be checked, and then Aadhaar card we can check, and then even we can check the telephone number of a customer, which address it belongs to, and then we can check the electricity bill, and then we can check even the ration cards online. That will help in the faster approvals of a customer, and we can also get the feel of how the customer is.
BFSI companies today are facing one key challenge, and that is adapting to a digital first customer. Historically, BFSI companies have reacted well to the changing technologies. However, the pace of change in technology today is posing a challenge to the BFSI companies. You really need to fundamentally rethink your entire business model and think about what does a digital first customer needs. Going forward, the winners will be separated from the losers on the basis of who can sift through this data and identify the right services and products to be offered to the customers.
Embrace the technology fully. On the management side, my core belief is that it's all about team, it's all about execution. Build a team which talks about solutions and not the problems. Money is a byproduct. If you focus on solving the problem, money will follow. Last but not the least, give the limelight and stage of success to your team and colleagues, and take the ownership of failures and shortcomings.
The BFSI sector in India is on threshold of its next great transformation. With the integration of advanced technology solutions such as artificial intelligence and automated solutions, the efficiency of everyday operations shows promise of improvement. India is amongst the fastest growing fintech in the world. The banking industry in India has historically been one of the most stable systems globally. Despite global upheavals, and the insurance market in India is expected to grow mainfolds. India being one of the largest microfinance market in the world, where 179 bank accounts are opened every minute, and is poised to be the third largest domestic banking sector by 2050. India is witnessing the emergence of startups with innovative technologies and business models. If I talk about the growing personal wealth, increased adoption of mobile and digital channels, reduced asymmetry of information between small and large financial institutions and investors are some of the factors propelling the industry forward. With the whole world becoming digital, skilling and reskilling people is one of the biggest challenges that stay in front of all of us.